Hi, my name's Alec and I'm the president here at Coastal Drone. Being an RPAS and helicopter pilot, I'm very excited to introduce to you our newest product, the RPN, Canada's first national remote pilot network where we deliver survey-grade aerial imagery and data at scale. Are you a drone pilot looking for more paid projects? Using our pilot dispatch and workflow software, accepting and completing drone jobs has never been easier. Does your organization struggle with drone imagery acquisition? Our network is designed to deliver the data products you need whenever you need them. Just submit a project and watch our pilot network deliver consumable and actionable data at scale. We are now accepting pilot and client applications, so please submit below and we look forward to seeing you on the RPN.